Hi everybody, my name is Brandon. I don't think I've ever really formally introduced myself. I've been flying FPV for the last probably about a year now. I think I've actually bought my Tyrannus back in March, so less than a year actually. Well, I just wanted to kind of come out and introduce myself, and I mean, I've posted a couple videos so far, but I thought I'd actually talk about myself and the kind of situation I'm in, and what I'd like to do, because I have the opportunity to be able to work with all these beautiful toys. I wouldn't say a toy, but I get to work with all these beautiful drones, and I finally set up my whole desk here to make everything a little easier for myself. I used to have everything set up there, but I basically wanted to just go over and just talk to you guys and find out what you guys want to see, really. I mean, I've got a bunch of different things I've got going on at the moment. That desk was the main thing, but I'm actually going to be doing a big motor swap. This guy needs some repairs. I don't know if you guys would want to see me swap out an ESC, but we've got a bunch of opportunity to really record everything and show you what you want to see. So if you guys have any requests, let me know. Like I said, I just rebuilt this whole desk, so I've got the chance to set everything up. I've got some R9 going on here. Setting everything up. I just updated the firmware on this guy. I could also do a video on that if you guys want. But other than that, I hope that I mean, the couple videos I've uploaded so far are pretty entertaining, but hopefully from here on I can show you guys what you guys would like to see. So let me know. Again, if you have any questions, just give me a holler. I'll be glad to help. Alright, bye.